Chapter 1. Food and feeding habits of animals. We need food to grow and stay healthy. Food gives us energy to work and play. Like us, animals also need food to live, grow and stay healthy. Eating habits of animals. Different animals eat different kinds of foods. Herbivores, animals that eat only plants, are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. For example, cows, goats, buffaloes, deer. Carnivores, animals that eat flesh of other animals, are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. For example, lions, tigers, leopards. Omnivores, animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals, are called omnivores. For example, crows, bears, dogs, cockroaches, humans. How animals eat. Different animals have different ways of eating. Their way of eating depends on the kind of food they eat. 1. Gnawers. Some animals, like squirrels, rabbits and rats, eat grains, fruits and nuts. They have very sharp front teeth for cutting. Animals that gnaw, bite repeatedly or chew hard their food are called gnawers. 2. Animals that swallow their food whole. Some animals swallow their food whole without chewing it. Frogs, chameleons and lizards have a long and sticky tongue. They catch the insects with their tongue and swallow them whole. Snakes also swallow their food without chewing. They do not have any chewing teeth. Though a snake has a small mouth, it can open its mouth very wide to swallow the food whole. Animals that tear and chew flesh. Carnivores such as lions, tigers and wolves have special teeth to tear and chew the flesh of other animals. Their front teeth are sharp, curved and pointed. These teeth help them to tear the flesh. Their back teeth are flat and broad. These teeth help them to chew. A lioness has sharp and pointed front teeth, sharp and pointed teeth, flat and broad teeth. Know this also, turtles and tortoises do not have teeth. Animals that eat and chew grass. Herbivores like cows and buffaloes eat grass and leaves. They use their flat, sharp and broad front teeth to bite off leaves and grass. They use their strong grinding teeth at the back to chew their food. Cows and buffaloes first swallow their food. After some time, they bring it back in their mouth and chew it for hours. This is called chewing the cud or rumination. These animals are called cud-chewing animals. Other cud-chewing animals are sheep, giraffes and goats. Animals that take in liquid food. Some animals take in liquid food. These animals have a long, thin, hollow tube that they use to suck the food into their mouth. Butterflies and bees use this tube to suck nectar, a sweet liquid that is produced by flowers. Mosquitoes and leeches suck blood from the bodies of other animals. Some animals like cat and dog lap up milk and water with their tongue. This method of taking in liquid is called lapping. Food chain. A chain that shows how plants are eaten by animals and the animals are eaten by other plants is called food chain. Look at this food chain formed by plants and animals. A food chain always begins with a plant because plants make their own food. So we can say that all animals depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food. Care of domestic and pet animals. Animals like cows, horses, goats, sheep and camels help us in many ways. These animals are called domestic animals. Horses and elephants carry load for us. We get milk from cows and buffaloes. We get wool from sheep. Animals like cats, dogs and rabbits live with us. They are called pet animals. Dogs guard our homes. We should always take care of these animals. We should give them proper food and clean water. We should keep them in clean shelters. We must be kind to these animals. Know this also. Do not waste food or throw leftover food. Give it to stray birds, dogs and other animals.